Hi, my name is Ismail and this is my video entry for the Woodlands Talent Tree. What is going to happen is you're going to experience one of my favorite magic, which is called Ninja Rings. Check this out. 4 rings and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rings, you're just going to place it this way and 1, 2, 3, it link. I'll do for a second time, although nobody asks. Okay, watch. 1, 2, 3. It link. I'm gonna do it for the third time. 1, 2, 3. It link, and one last time. 1, 2, 3. It link. So now there's no way it can escape, and I need you to watch closely. 1, 2, 3. It passes through. Solid through solid. Okay. Watch. I'm just gonna place it this way. 1, 2, 3. It link. Right, and 1, 2, 3. It link. Thank you.